Hey guys, what's up? I'm Vanessa. If you do like what you're seeing, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. You'll see me casually looking away from this, but you won't see me that much here. That's my little brother, because I got cosplay melee on. So here we have my Minecraft cave. So here's my cave set. No, don't pay attention to that. That's what my little brother's here. And here's the cave set by itself. This is sorry about that. A makeshift creeper. I just used a Lego Ninjago snake. And pretty much it was fairly easy to build, except for one mechanism that I had to use for it. It was this one, to make the TNT actually look like it would blow up. Hold on, technical difficulties. Okay, we're back. So here we have the mechanism. Use this little thing over here, and you hold on to this, and then you push this, and then it all just blows up. And it makes it look like this TNT has blown up. We got a stick bot.
And my phone. And my green.
Yeah, my little brother has his own phone at the age of 6.
And my green.
So pretty much you could say,
and my green.
la la.
And I have my green.
We got a blanket
And I have
too,
my green.
which is not important for this video, guys. Just don't really pay attention to that. So the dungeon. Okay, I just had to replace a few bits. So we're gonna set all this stuff aside. Take a look at this. This I just built, and
Alright guys, that's it for today.
So this looks really cool actually. It was painstakingly hard to build. Well, not really that hard, but more of easy-ish. Yeah. Mine a few bricks during the video. This is just a mountain. And here we